if you guys know, but he got the Softail Deuce, and he actually put on an exhaust today and his air cleaner, and I want to go over there because I want to see which bike sounds better, my Springer Softail or his Softail Deuce. He has the Vance & Hines exhaust as well, but it's a little bit different. So let's go check it out. This bike is looking really good, really good. You got, I don't know what the name of this exhaust is. I think it's the Big Shot Radius maybe, but I'm really, really liking it. I really like it. So I got, what's up, buddy? I got the Big Shot, Vance & Hines Big Shot Staggered, right? And then Cam's got the short shots. I got the Big Shot Staggered. Then you also have the longer ones that you could get. The Sandy, what's up, buddy?
How you doing? How you doing?
But you that's called Radius?
That was called Big Radius or Radius.
Yeah.
Some kind of radius.
So it's
really cool, huh?
It looks like really big, like beefy exhaust.
Maybe it's just the heat shields are a little.
It looks
beefy.
nice though.
Yeah.
So it comes out big and then it sweeps down and it's like a slash cut.
If you look at the length, it's probably mid-range. I think like yours.
No, mine's longer.
Oh, a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Yours are a little bit longer.
But you know why I'm here, right? Because I need to hear this thing, man.
Oh, yeah,
I want to see which one sounds better.
Let's do it.
So I've never had this exhaust ever on any one of my previous bikes. I've had the short shots and I've had these on bikes that I've had in the past, but I've never heard this. What do you guys think about the looks? Let me know down below. I think for your bike, Sandy, I think it really fits good.
You know, I was contemplating. I went into the Facebook forums and stuff like that, and I was asking people to show me pictures because listen, both pipes are beautiful, the 2 and the 2.
Yeah.
But I literally wanted to see the silhouette. I wanted a profile to see what fits the lines of the bike.
Right.
So a straight would be kind of not fitting the
not
look.
For the Deuce, yeah, not for the Deuce.
So here, I think it complements. I think it really complements.
I like it too. Yeah, I like it too.
So you want to hear it, John?
Yeah, dude, let's do it. I gotta hear it, man. That's why I came here. I wanna see which bike sounds better.
Oh, it's not tuned yet. Don't worry.
Well, yeah, but still.
Yeah, okay.
Let's hear it.
You ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Absolutely, buddy. Oh, hang on. Before you do that, you also changed out S&S teardrop air cleaner.
Yes.
Yeah, that looks really
Stinger, nice. Look at the chrome how it looks, huh?
Oh, I love that. That looks really nice.
And look, even red oiling for like.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, really nice.
Huh? Let me hear if it's a little, it sounds a little deeper.
Maybe it's because of the short pipe.
Length, probably, right?
I don't. What do you guys think? I think Sandy's bike sounds a little bit. I don't know what it is. It's definitely a little tiny bit difference. Is it because of the shorter pipes? Not sure what it is. The one thing, maybe somebody knows, the one thing is I don't have a flashlight, but there is baffles. There are some kind of, it's like a louvered liner inside. So I'm not sure if that's changing the sound. Should I take them out? I think I could take them out. I'm not sure, and I know
some kind of baffles over there. You can actually see them because they're very close to the end. You see how close they are?
Oh yeah, you do have the same one, so it's not about that. So I guess,
but they're at the tip.
No, mine too.
Yeah,
mine's same thing. So it's definitely not. It's definitely not that louvered portion. I don't know if you guys seen it, but there's like a louvered liner that goes in from the beginning right here. I think it's because of the shorter pipe, the length. Because Cam's sounds like yours. You know what I mean? So I think it's because of the short pipe. Gotcha. I do like the sound of both, but I don't know. I would have to maybe give you a point,
half a star,
half a point. I think they both sound similar, but I think it has everything to do with the short pipe.
Maybe it's the length.
Yeah.
How much shorter is it? You think it's we can measure it?
No, it's definitely different. I mean, the sweep of the header looks the same. It's just see, because as you guys could see, like how that one swept and that one, it's basically the same as Sandy's, except mine comes down a little bit more.
Yeah.
No, I mean, it's not even point measuring. I mean, I know it's shorter.
Is, like 2 foot, I would say 2 foot, and yours would be
three almost. No.
Oh yeah. Yours is almost like 2, 3, and almost 3 foot.
Yeah. So you got an extra foot of pipe.
Yeah.
See, because mine ends almost at the axle nut, whereas yours is like ends. Really, this is where they end. Here, it doesn't end here. This is just metal.
No, here, and literally here. That's
so
just a feature.
I got literally like almost a foot.
Almost a foot.
Sounds great, man. Good
job.
job.
And thanks. And wow.
How's the install? Easy?
It wasn't bad at all.
And that bracket.
It's right here.
Okay, so mine went here. If you look at mine, it went onto the trans bolts. You had to take the trans bolts off.
Yeah, I see.
You see it?
Yeah.
I actually had to take. Or am I mistaken?
No, dude, it's not on the trans. It's
oh,
right
no,
here.
I am wrong. No, it's the same
right
spot.
Here.
It's the same spot. Yep. It is the same spot. Okay.
And you see you put a little...
it's the same spot.
Kind of,
spot, but I think... let me see.
You put a washer over there.
So it's the same spot, but different bracket. Your bracket is actually faced. You see it's pulled forward a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, but the chrome on the Vance & Hines is just so nice.
Really nice.
So I don't know. You guys let me know which one sounds better. My bike is tuned. Sandy's isn't tuned.
No, definitely not.
But
I don't have that chop yet. You know that.
No, it sounds good.
Yeah.
I think it sounds really good.
Look how nice it is. The 2 bikes. It's really cool.
Yeah, I love them, man. I love it. What's your next step? What are you gonna do?
What is my next step?
I'll tell you a couple steps. You should definitely get a heat gun and take off this reflector.
How about this?
take off the reflector, take off the sticker.
Oh yeah, sticker's coming off.
Take off even though God bless America, but you don't want a sticker on your fender. You don't want this. You could take that off. And then you got the custom dynamics lights.
Yeah,
that looks great.
Everything.
Oh yeah, damn.
Everything.
Damn, player.
Yeah.
Oh, and the seat.
That's
Oh,
saddle and seat. Look at that. Look at that. They call it the profile because look how nice it hugs. You see how it hugs the fender?
This can't fit mine because I have a different fender, I think, right? Is that what it is?
But maybe they have the profiler
When I looked, I didn't think there was anything. Did you change this out?
I did. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, everything.
Yes,
oh, wow.
because it was red over here.
Oh. Oh yeah.
And I put
nice.
I put the magic strobe. You see?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So it's the.
Can I sit on it, Sammy?
Sure, of course.
This is really nice. Let me see. Yeah. The tank is shaped differently. Mine's obviously wider. It's wider. Yours is more narrow. Longer. I guess that's the only difference with the deuce and the
fender. And the fender.
And the forks, obviously, the whole front end, the way the handlebars are mounted.
It's raked. This is a 32.
It's raked more. It's
32
raked,
as opposed to a 29 or 30. I'm not sure.
Nice.
Handlebars. You're gonna have some mini apes or apes.
So you see how soft your clutch lever is? Go feel mine. I have to do something with mine. I think mine's tight, right?
Oh, it's very tight.
Yeah, I don't know why. I think it's. I'll tell you the truth.
Maybe you need to lube it.
No, you know, I will lube it, but I think you know why? Because the stock bars that came on here were taller, and when the last owner put on these shorter bars, you see how all these cables are scrunched down.
Up, yeah.
I think there's a little bit too much binding. You see how tight? Look at, you see how tight this cable is that. Yeah. So we're gonna put on some taller bars. I think I'm gonna do maybe a 12-inch mini ape, and then we'll loop. See how tight that is? Yours is like buttery smooth. Oh my God, it feels like a brand new bike.
Yeah, it is. Well, it is 7,000 miles.
Well, I know, but mine's not bad. What do you mean?
I didn't say it's bad.
Don't pick on my bike. So this I want to get also, but this is a full chrome sprocket, but they do have a cover. I want to get the chrome sprocket cover for it, and they do all these caps. They have caps. They have triangular axle covers, chrome axle covers that I also want to do. You're gonna keep these wheels, or you're gonna go spoked?
No,
they're growing on you.
They're growing on me, and people actually in the comments love them.
Really?
Love them.
Well, listen.
Yeah, I mean,
why don't you leave them for a while? And
I will.
Because these are
Harley.
They're Harley from the catalog book, right? Yeah, you could see the Harley logo right there on them.
Dude, look at this.
It's a nice wheel. It's a clean bike. It looks brand new, dude. It honestly looks brand new.
Beautiful.
What's all over here?
Just handprints just now. Now.
That looks like scuffs, man.
No, I just did that now, dude. It's from the oil. I have oil over here.
I don't know, Bill.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah, the wheels are pretty nice. You know?
Yep.
Let's see what else Sandy's got in his garage. What do you got? A chicken coop over there?
Pretty much.
So Sandy still has the Lowrider ST
and traps for the mice and
on the Condor chock. You haven't ridden this thing probably in a while, right?
Yeah,
Since the trip.
Few weeks. Yeah, a few.
Serious? Since the trip?
No. I went. I had the what do you call it? Fixed the cruise control.
Oh yes,
yeah,
and it's all fixed. It was the module.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
It was the module, you know.
Oh wow. Yeah. Okay. Did you get different hand grips or the same ones?
Yeah, the heated grips.
Oh, you put on heated grips.
But I had them. I had them during the trip, John.
Oh, you did? Did they work? Did they work?
They didn't work. I didn't have. I was missing missing one of the cables.
Do they work now?
Now they do. Yeah. So it's gonna be good for.
And then Sandy's Aprilia RS660. Yeah, man. What do you got?
Mothers, you scared me now with the.
Yeah, because it does look like some kind of scratches. Were you carrying something?
Nothing.
No. Yeah, I have to definitely. I gotta get a set of bars, because. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna need some lube on all this stuff. I haven't really had a chance to give it some TLC. It just needs some TLC. Yeah, you got the two older twin cams. Yours is a 04, right?
04. Yours is 5 or 3?
02.
02, dude. By the way,
Mine's 02.
can you do like an historic license plating for it?
After 25 years.
Oh, 25
Yeah,
years.
25 years.
I
then
thought
you
it was
could go.
20 for some reason.
I could have swore it was 20. Maybe it's 20 for cars. I don't know. I could have swore it was
And
20.
what are the benefits? Does anybody know over there?
It's
in the comments
it's
over there?
cheaper. You could get cheaper insurance.
But is there restrictions?
There is
usually?
restrictions, yeah.
Right, like
You
can't
could
ride
only
at night.
you could only ride it so many miles a year or so many miles a month, something like that.
Yeah.
Right here, you see all these
Yeah,
scuffs?
I'm letting
Yeah.
it dry up, and then I'm gonna work it.
Yeah, but it's super clean bike, really clean. So yeah, that's also a really nice looking air cleaner. Love how it looks. I like mine as well though. I think it fits the bike.
Yeah, I never did like the round ones. But even on my bike, on the Lowrider ST,
Yeah.
I have the teardrop.
Right.
I don't like the round ones for whatever reason. Where was I with the bike?
You see, like a lot of people, right? They complain like you can't afford, or people can't afford a Harley, or the young people can't afford a Harley. That's like so not true, because I think they don't want an older bike. But honestly, these are super affordable.
And it's really
You're talking $6-7 grand. You could find a bike like this, which is absolutely beautiful. Like, who wouldn't want to ride one of these?
Dude, it was so much fun to ride it. Where did we? I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, and that's interesting too. Your brake and disc rotor, everything set up is on the right side, looking at from this way. Right side,
it's
and
the
mine's on
opposite
the
of
left.
yours.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
interesting.
Wonder why they did that. But yeah, these are like, if you're a new rider, these are very affordable. Like, who wouldn't want to ride a Springer or a Deuce, Softail Deuce? I mean, it's a beautiful bike. Really nice. Yeah, you got a good buy, bud.
Was it? Yeah, nice bike.
Yeah, so like my disc caliper and rotors on, looking at the bike on the left side, and Sandy's is on the right side. So did it come off or it did not come off?
It is coming off, but I wonder.
Oh yeah, no, it's scuffed. It's definitely scuffed. You didn't see that, or you didn't have anything strapped to it by any chance?
Not that I'm trying to think. No.
On the way back home from Kaplan or anything?
No.
Nothing bungeed down?
No.
What about a hat? Hang on, let me see. How far back is that? What about a hat?
Nah.
Because that happened to me once too.
From a hat?
From a hat, yeah, it messes up the bike. If the wind's blowing, it just starts hitting the paint. You gotta be careful. All right, guys, that's I guess that's it with this video. I just wanted to see show you guys Sandy's bike
Because they just installed it.
and all of the upgrades that he did to it. The exhaust, I think they both sound good. I'm really liking the radius, how it sweeps downward like that. I think that's a good look for Sandy's Deuce. Yeah, it's just really.
Thank you. It's
Yeah, it really looks good, and it sounds great.
Yeah.
And I think my exhaust fits mine the way it looks. So let me know in the comments down below, guys, what you guys think, and we'll see you guys on the next one. We have some great content coming up here in the next couple days, so stay tuned, and we'll see you later. Sandy, say goodbye.
Say goodbye, Sandy.